Green chemistry is playing a critical role in reducing waste across nearly all industrial sectors. If we consider how to deal with waste, we can rank the choices, with simple disposal being the least attractive and outright prevention of waste being the most attractive. Working our way up this list, let's first consider recycling of waste products. Green chemists are finding ways to use waste streams as useful inputs for other processes. One example of this is the recycling of carbon dioxide, or CO2. Created most often from burning oil, coal, and natural gas, CO2 can now be captured and recycled as a basic input for things such as scratch-resistant coatings, which are used to protect products such as cell phones, computers, and cars. Green chemistry is also being used to help industries find and use inputs that can do their job more than once. Catalysts are a great example. Chemical reactions often need a little push to help get them going, and the traditional chemicals, reagents, used for this purpose become waste after just one use. Catalysts, on the other hand, do the same job of jump-starting reactions, but the catalysts themselves aren't used up in the process. Instead, they can be extracted from the reaction stage and sent back to the start to do the same job over and over. Pharmaceuticals, pulp and paper, and textiles are just a few of the industries that have seen their waste greatly reduced by this ability to reuse an input such as catalysts. Green chemistry is also instrumental in reducing the amount of waste generated in the first place. A powerful example here is the pharmaceutical industry. Traditional processes used to make drugs often involve tremendous amounts of water and other inputs to get a relatively small amount of the final product. The rest just becomes waste. Green chemists have been successful in reducing the number of steps needed to make many drugs, and in reducing the amount of inputs needed in each of those steps. This increase in efficiency translates directly to less waste being generated. Better still is to create no waste at all. In most industrial processes, some portion of the input molecules fall away as waste during processing, while the rest goes on to form the final product. Green chemists are redesigning processes so that little to none of the input molecules go unused, meaning no waste is left behind. Such is the tremendous potential that green chemistry has to reduce waste across nearly every industrial sector.